Okay, starting topic 1, we are going to talk about inductive and deductive reasoning. So just to define some things, conjecture, it's a conclusion formed on the basis of incomplete evidence. Okay, so you're just kind of making a guess about something. Inductive reasoning is making a general conjecture and you're basing it off of like looking at a pattern or noticing something. And then deductive reasoning is a process of reasoning from one or more statements of truth. So like a statement of truth could be something like humans have hearts. Like, okay, that is a general, that's a statement that is true. And then we're using that and to reach a conclusion. And that conclusion is logically certain. Okay, so for start, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 13 is 26. So what conjecture can you make that any number that we're multiplying by 2 seems to result in an even product? Okay, we don't know for certain, but that is what we think is going to happen. Soccer tournament organizer bought 100 small, 200 medium, and 100 large t-shirts to sell. What conjecture can you make? You can say that medium sizes, it's twice as popular as the other sizes. Okay, number 3, Mrs. Falk arrived at school at 8:30 on Monday and 8:30 on Tuesday. Therefore, Mrs. Falk always comes to school at 8:30. Okay, so this is an example of inductive reasoning because we're making this conclusion based on something we noticed or a pattern. Okay, a square is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Therefore, a square has 4 sides. So this is an example of deductive reasoning because we made this conclusion and we made it based on 2 true statements that we connected together. 2x plus 1 plus 2y equals 2 factored out of an xy plus 1. Therefore, the sum of an odd number and an even number will always be odd. So you can see this is a sum of an odd, 2x plus 1 is an odd number, and 2y is an even number. And then since this number is 2 times something and then add 1, this is odd. So we concluded this, and that is deductive reasoning because we have proven it with true statements.